A pleasant day to everyone. This is Crystal Ibubasa, and now I'm going to share my take on the person I have been interviewed last time. So, after receiving response from the people who have experienced learning environment from both generations, from yesteryears and from 21st century, I have realized how much it develops through time. So, it started as a limited type of learning where educators tend to share what is written in the learning material or available resources at the school. But I have remembered how we used to do individual tasks where library is the only option we have. That's why in doing assignments and take-home quizzes, there are assigned books for each topic or there are assigned books for each subject. That's why we often bring those books with us whenever we go to school or even we are studying at home. So books is the vital or fundamental material we have that time. In discussion, we will read what is written on the board, but we're not allowed yet to explain or share our personal understanding about it. So if we are tasked to do illustrations or create illustrations, made charts are the comfort material in that time, such as food chain chart, appropriate clothes according to weather chart, as well as brushing your teeth charts and others in the like. So we don't usually encounter reflective report or reflection since we follow objectives for our assessment that is also found in the textbooks. That's why library is the sole source of our information, whether old or new. So whenever we are tasked to do something, we will go to the library afterwards. However, nowadays, I can say that learning is a two-way process. Since teachers allows us students to share valuable insights aligned with the topic and our experience. So digital age is the generation of today's learning. That's why teachers and students make use of interactive digital medias to connect and share knowledge with each other. So, digital tools or different tools or devices are seen in the learning environment, such as desktop, mobile phones, televisions, and projector. So, learning is now integrated and developed because aside from our experiences, there are multiple resources and applications where we can now access or we can help us to create and provide information about a certain topic. So now, the students can also elicit information from themselves, and teacher is only the facilitators of learning nowadays. The reason why self-study is common these days. Also because there are lots of resources we can now access to improve our learning practices. Narrative report and reflection are given to test our problem-solving skills and critical thinking skills. Therefore, these two pieces of learning only prove how flexible learning can be when achieved and practiced both by teachers and students. To empower both parties, everyone in the teaching and learning environment should practice etiquette, commitment, and accountability with their respective roles so that complaints wouldn't be a problem. So that's all. Thank you for listening. I hope you get something from me. Again, this is Crystal A. Barbaza.